See, we have got final figures from the electricity and water supply department, and government has come with a very nice scheme of one-time settlement scheme. So I am taking the benefit of this one-time settlement scheme and writing to them to waive off whatever they can do it, so that I can pay the dues regular on time. There has been some electric poles which have disappeared for last 10 years, 20 years, but regular bills are coming every month. No one has gone to checking whether the electric pole is there or not. Similarly, there were public taps in the earlier years. So once the government has come with the water supply to each and every household, this has been stopped. At least 80% has been stopped, but the bills continue to come. Physical position at a loco, there is no public taps, in view of the people taking individual taps. So, but the bill has continued every now and then, and no one has attended this thing. Now the government has come with a final scheme. I am taking benefit of this scheme, and let us see how much government is giving me a benefit.
So for how many years these bills have been pending?
This has been for the last 20 years, I can say. Some electric poles has disappeared in this thing. Some taps were disappeared or removed, but bills continued.
किती सिच्युएशन आहे सध्या?
लायटीची आणि बिलां खूब वर्स जाली पेंडींग आहा. म्हाका दिसता नियरली 20 इयर्स आसतली. आतां OTS स्कीम आयिल्ली आसा. तर म्हाजी एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा की चीफ ऑफिसरान एडमिनिस्ट्रेटरान तेजेर इंट्रस्ट घेवचो आनी ते OTS स्किमीच्या अंडर ते पेमेंट करचें. कित्याक तितले आतां जर केलें जाल्यार तें जावन पडटलें. नो डावट आमचे फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेम म्युनिसिपालिटीचे एकदम वेरी बॅड आसले. आतां आयच्या दिसाक रिकवरी स्टार्ट केल्ली आसा, पयशे आयिल्ले आसा, फंड्स आयिल्ले आसा. तर तातूंत भितर ते जाता जाल्यार हें करून काडचें. एक कायमचो प्रॉब्लेम जो आसा तो इश्यू सेटल जातलो.